This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. See that Ioniq 9 long range, it wasn't that fast, 6.5 seconds roughly. Spec is 6.7, so it's faster than spec, but 307 horsepower only for 2.8 tons yields this time. Let me show you that you go further up the list, you find another 7-seater or 6-seater. The EX90, that's almost a second faster, and then 408 horsepower, that's better. EV9 GT line has more horsepower, 380, weighs slightly less, so then 5.1 seconds, and then there are even faster big cars out there. Tang, also a 7-seater, 4.7 seconds. How heavy is that? 2.7 tons, okay. And then we have Hongqi EHS9, 4.6 seconds. And the EQS, this is also 7-seater, 4.6 seconds. But then the fastest big 6 or 7-seater, wait, there's a new EH9. Oh, I forgot to mark that. 4.4 seconds, very impressive. But it's not the fastest. The fastest is way up. Wait, where is it? Man, wow. There, NIO EL8, I have to go, is it on the very top? Okay. EL8 goes like a rocket, 3.8 seconds. It's even faster than i5, it's faster than a Taycan, wow. And then how much does it weigh? 2.7 tons, wow, that is impressive, man. For dual chamber air suspension and fridge and 6 seats, 737 horsepower. Yes. Do you need it? No. Do you want it? Yes. Okay. When it comes to noise, though, very impressive with the Ioniq 9. You see here, at the very top, 63 decibel, 60.7, right on par with the Hongqi and the EX90 and also the EL8. EL8 being slightly better, but it's on 20-inch wheels. The other cars are actually on 21-inch wheels. So, yeah, all of these are nice big cars with great soundproofing, great comfort. However, this Ioniq 9 doesn't have air suspension like some of the other cars, so it feels a bit bouncy. Yeah. But overall, still a great car with great space. Yes, at least that's awesome. But for me, you know, Bjorn, it's kind of slow. This Ioniq 9 is kind of slow. Okay, anyway, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.